Look up from your telescope, take me on this journey home. I don't wanna wait no more. Lay me down behind the moon, tell me you'll be on real soon. I don't wanna wait no more.
Hey guys, and welcome back to Megan Murray. So today's video is going to be me unboxing the new iPad 8th generation. Yes, I have never done an unboxing video. No, have I? I think I did a MacBook one. Yes, I did do a MacBook one, but today is going to be the iPad. So this is the 8th generation 32 gigabytes, and I am so excited to have it and unbox it and everything like that, because if you didn't know, I actually won this in Natalie Bell's giveaway. So I was so excited when she DM'd me saying I won it. So I got it in the mail last night, so I thought I would unbox it today. But it is so sweet of her. She wrote me a little card too, so if you want to check out Natalie's channel, then definitely make sure to check the description down below. I will definitely have her channel linked. She is so nice to do this giveaway, and I know that she'll be doing many more in the future, so definitely make sure to subscribe to her if you haven't already. I wanted an iPad for so long, and I'm so happy that I finally have one on me, and I'm so excited for the things I can do with it, like Procreate and all that stuff. I'm I'm trying to not use excited because I feel like I've already used that too many times in this video, but I'm so happy to have this. But anyway, I'm super excited for this video. Make sure you subscribe to my channel if you're not already, and definitely make sure to follow my Instagram, meganmarie.yt, and let's get into the unboxing. So, for this occasion, we have a grande Starbucks with us, the Christmas theme. And I actually got a case for it from Amazon, which we will also be unboxing later in. But first, I need to unbox this iPad, so let's move the camera so y'all can see. Okay, so here it is, and this is in space gray. Oh, beautiful. Okay, this is like the best part. Oh my. It's like, I didn't think it would be this big. What? Okay. Oh my gosh. Look how beautiful. Oh my gosh. Okay. We're getting a little too ahead of ourselves, but let's, oh, there am I. Hi. This way, right? Yeah. Oh my gosh. Look at that, beautiful. And it's in space gray, which I think is super like chic. Okay, so let's see what's in the box. So we have a charger thing, a block for it. Okay. Designed by Apple in California. I don't think I need the instructions, but you know. And then we have the charger block. Oh, what? Okay, so this was with my MacBook too, but I didn't know, but they're kind of like this now. They're kind of like this. So I guess that's kind of cool. And then this thing is, so now you have to get new chargers if you have these, but look at that. Okay, so there's the charger. So I'm actually gonna see if this is on. I don't think it's charged. Yeah, it's definitely not charged, so we're gonna charge it up. I'm so scared I'm like gonna drop it. Oh, it's turning on. English, United States, quick, bring your, oh, we're doing this. We're doing the easy way. Continue. Oh, hold on. Well, this is easy. Okay, after you enter this password, you will need... Okay, so it's gonna take a few minutes for it to work, but I love how it just goes straight to your phone to this. It makes it so easy to transfer your phone information. So now it's asking me for Touch ID, which I have like a phone without a Touch ID, so I feel like it's gonna be kind of hard to get used to. So continue. I'm gonna do, I feel like, oh, which one? Thumb or pointer finger? Oh, sorry. I messed it up. Oh, it's setting up Apple ID right now. I don't have an iPad. Restore from iCloud backup. I don't know. I don't know if even will do that well. Restore from i11 Pro. Continue. Oh wait, no, I don't want to continue. I don't even have that. Okay, I'll check you guys back when this is done. We are so close to being done. I think it's taken around like, I want to say 10 minutes, but it might be a little less, but I've been very impatient with it. I'm so excited to do like Procreate stuff. I think I'm gonna be doing a new outro and make it on here with Procreate and stuff. So look forward to things like that. Okay, so it has been like a long time, but I guess I just have like a lot of storage and a lot of things to back up, but it is ready to go. Look at it. I'm like filled up all the gigabytes. So I'm kind of just gonna like delete some things because there's, oh my gosh, there's so much things on here. So I'm just gonna delete a whole bunch of things. Okay, so I basically have it set up and everything, and I'm going to be doing a what's on my iPad, which will be coming up next week. So subscribe to my channel if you're not already. But now I think I'm going to open up the case. So here is the case. I just got it from Amazon and I have no idea if it's going to fit or not. So it's going to be a surprise for me too. And it's, the color I think is so pretty, you can kind of see it. But we're going to open it up and see. Awesome. Oh, look at the blush color. I think this is, I got the correct size. Megan 1, iPad 0. Look, it's so, the color, and I like how it like flaps like that just so I can close it so I don't break it. So I'm gonna put this on. My Starbucks cup is in everything. I haven't even checked the quality of the camera yet, so we shall do that. I'm not, oh, but then I can put the Apple Pencil here, which I'm asking for my birthday. Well, I need to take this out. Oh, it's secure. And then it's like this, so then I can open it up. So let's check out the quality of it. I'm gonna stick to my my phone quality. I'm gonna stick to my phone quality. Obviously I have the 11 Pro, so it's gonna be the best. I'm not having this because of the camera, obviously. I didn't get the Pro, so it's just regular, but I downloaded Procreate and Goodnotes, so expect some fun things coming your way. I know people like Procreate or whatever one better, but I just downloaded both of them because I feel like they can be used for different things, and I'm gonna be doing iOS 14 on it and making it look so cute. So yeah. Okay, so we are now done with this video. Hope you guys liked this unboxing and kind of setting my iPad up. Definitely make sure to subscribe to my channel so you can see my what's on my iPad video, which will be coming up next week. So thank you guys so much for watching, and make sure to subscribe and like and follow my Instagram. Okay, and get my stickers linked down below. Bye.